You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly: the biography of saints or venerated persons. If you want to learn more biblical names from the Bible, I've got many more for you. Stay tuned. Two different ways of pronouncing it. The most common in English is hagiography. Hagiography. Some say it also, so I guess it makes it three different pronunciations. Hagiography, which also exists. But it can also be pronounced as hagiography. Hagiography. So three different pronunciations, but more generally, hagiography. With this one you're safe. Some say it as hagiography, which is also correct, and you may hear hagiography, which is also correct. So now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.